Hello, Pizza Universe. Scott Wiener here in Brooklyn, New York. We're in Williamsburg at the William Vale Hotel, the site of the pop-up Museum of Pizza. And we're going to go and take a look around. You'll be very interested to see that when you walk inside, you immediately have a whole security area. I'm just curious, what are your favorite pizza boxes on the wall?
I like this guy. He looks creepy and weird, and the George Clooney's are a favorite too.
Corey, what do you got?
Mine's personally is this one. This from the old Spike Lee movie, Do the Right Thing.
I didn't know if people would see that that's what it was, and that's why I put it right behind the check-in, because I want people to get it. There's a lot of, so I should mention to people, so this is, I have a world's largest collection of pizza boxes. It's a Guinness World Record, and we picked 70 of them to be on the wall over here. And it's a mix of color and a mix of different countries and a mix of different imagery. And so we picked some of them specifically to have like New York City in mind, because that's where we are. So that's why we have all these different countries. There's Italy, there's Kazakhstan, there's Japan, China, all over the place. It's really, really wacky. So, but right behind the check-in area, right behind Donna, is from Do the Right Thing, the Spike Lee joint about a pizza shop in Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn, which I don't want to give it away, but let's just say things don't go so great for the pizza shop. But that's from the movie. Then we go into the pizza history room, where you get some images on the wall, and then you get a lovely description of pizza history given to you by a very handsome projection of this young gentleman over here named me. There I am, hanging out here, and I've never sat here, and they got chairs. I didn't even know that. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy myself a little bit. Preach. Preach. This guy is handsome. I don't think I can. Me too. Okay, Scott. Totally creepy. Totally creepy. But it's cool because you get all these cool images and factoids with all these analog slide machines up here. So it's not just digital projection. It's all analog slide machines, like right behind you, like in school. Let's move on. You take it easy, Scott. Whoa, look at what we see. Andrew WK's guitar. So this room is where we dive deep into the whole art situation. This crazy weird plush situation with eyeballs, I think. And then you've got, down here is a funny video. It's a video of somebody with dough on their head, and it's just the dough is slowly moving. I think it was 5 minutes. I mean, this is real time. This room is crazy. So this is a backstory of this room. This room was kind of put together almost at the last minute, but it ends up that it's one of the most fun rooms of the whole deal. Oh, we're about to enter the cheese cave, so hold your breath, because it gets super cheesy. How's it going? Oh, it's amazing to be here. What kind of cheese is this?
Mozzarella cheese.
Straight up mutts. Anything goes in the cheese cave. I like it. I like it. Do you have any Lactaid?
No, unfortunately not.
That'd be really funny to have a little Lactaid dispenser, like you hit it and like a little palette. Yeah, like before, like as you enter, Lactaid sponsored.
Yeah.
All right, we'll have to do that in the next one. All right, so now we're entering, speaking of sponsorships, the DiGiorno Playground, which is, how's it going? So tell me, what's the weirdest thing somebody's ever done in the tube?
Stretch.
That's not weird at all. We're about to change things. Right, we're in the light room and everything. So tell me, which one is your favorite dot?
There are a lot. Maybe, yeah, this one.
So that's not a dot. You're the worst. Okay, let's go and see what this is. This is the Pizza Beach. This is probably my favorite room. This one's by the artist Adam Green, who's a great visual artist and a musician. You might have heard of his band, the Moldy Peaches.
See what everyone can see, many one else.
or Adam Green's solo stuff. He's got some cool stuff going on in here. The idea of this was the founder of the museum, Kareem. He said, "Hey, Adam Green, I want a pizza beach." And then Adam said, "I will do that." And that's the whole story. No joke. It's not even a joke. So you got some pizza beach. Every pizza beach has to have a rabbi. You got to have a rabbi. He's giving me my beach mitzvah. For your help. I'm going to go look at your favorite dot again. So now we're going to answer this from Shauna X, the Say Cheese Room. Say Cheese is comprised of new sculpture and mural work by Shauna X, featuring pizza utilized as beautifying product. So this is the spot where you're supposed to sit in here and have a picture taken of you. So we'll just do it. So this is the way it goes. It's when you're in a museum and you start to hallucinate after a while, you start to have visions like this, which is a giant Totino's pizza roll. And the best part is, Heather, you ready to see the best part? I want you to do me a favor. I'm going to take the camera. I want you to step up onto that pepperoni and stick your head up inside. This is the movie theater where they've got 4 pizza-themed movies. I've never seen this one, the pineapple and the pizza. Are they going to get together? I hope so, because life's too short to make pineapple pizza love illegal. That's my one political statement. Now we are entering Corey's favorite spot, is where he gets a slice.
Yeah.
Let's see you eat that thing. He's a folder. He's a semi-folder.
Yeah,
Oh, he's a full folder.
In New York, you gotta fold it. But you don't want to eat all of it. You want to savor it.
This whole thing's making me hungry. You hungry?
I'm hungry.
Let's get a slice. Thank you, we will. For you. My pleasure. Always have fun when you're eating pizza. The most important thing is pizza's for fun.